What's up, guys? This is how I'm going to bake my meat pie. How I bake my meat pie. This is flour. How are you all doing? Let's make this yummy meat pie. This is 1 kilo of flour. Then I will be adding more to it. Then I need a teaspoon to take my salt. I have my butter and I have baking powder. This is my baking powder. Now I mix with my hand my butter. So we are not going to use our food processor to finish everything. Okay guys, let's use our food processor to finish up our dough of meat pie. This is my first time of using food processor to mix my flour. So let's try it, guys. Wow, guys. Wow, this is really massive. I have my mixer. I have my mixer. This is massive. This is massive. Guys, let's take some egg that we're gonna be using for our meat pie, the finished part. You know, the time after using my, what I got in it, food processor to mix my flour, I did not video the part where I put it in the bowl and cover it. I allow it to get right, okay? I forgot that part, but look at it, is already right. So now I want to mix it together. This is my sauce for meat pie. Then after this, I will now go and put it inside the oven. Wow, guys, hey, we are done baking our meat pie. I am inviting you all to come and join us to eat. Come to me. Let me feed you with meat pie this period. Ooh, it's very, very hot. I make a lot of quantity of meat pie, so it's really nice. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. Mwah.